We are out of Rice Krispies. Hey, don't blame me. I didn't write this crap.
I can't believe what that clown is doing to Leoncavallo. And they call me a murderer.
Vendetta! Vendetta! Vendetta!
I don't wish to brag, but he's evil at an 8th grade level.
Vendetta! Vendetta!
Let's see, what else we got here? So, I had this beautiful tour guide, right? And I tell her I want to see your Naples. She slapped me.
We call it Napoli.
Yeah, well, it sounds like you're all taking a Napoli. I know you're out there. I can hear you being greasy. Yeah!
Ridi, pagliaccio, sul tuo amore infranto.
It's so beautiful.
That's Sideshow Bob.
I know, and he's magic.
This is no act! They're actually trying to kill us!
Ridi del duo che t'avvelena il cor. La commedia è finita.